Today on the Adventures of Munks.
His name is Munks. Here's a skeleton. His name is Munks. He wants to be your new best friend. But being a monkey is hard, convincing people you're alive. And what fits like a glove is the story of your life. His name is Munks. He'll be with us till the end, 'cause we can't find his dad. His next adventure is about to begin. The Adventures of Munks.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to What's Wednesday with Munks. Today is a surprise day where we do a surprise episode, because it's What's Wednesday, and we don't know what Wednesday is until we decide, so it's a surprise, yeah. On Monday, Nemo over here helped us do a water balloon fight for Messy Monday, and today we're either going to have Dory or Hank help us with What's Wednesday. So, yeah, we got to see which one, and maybe we'll just have the magic bag decide. Yeah, the magic bag is here, and as you can see, there's nothing in it. So we'll just let the magic bag decide if Dory or Hank is going to help us with What's Wednesday. Okay, the magic bag is closed, and let's say the magic words together. We're going to say bibbidi bobbidi boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bibbidi bobbidi boo! Okay, let's check. Who's in there? Hello? It's Hank! Hey, thanks so much for joining us, Hank. Today is What's Wednesday with Munks, and we're going to do something really, really exciting, okay? Are you excited? Hank doesn't look excited. It's going to be fun, Hank. So, Hank, I've got some bread here, and I thought maybe we could go feed my duck friends. Maybe we'll even see Donald Duck. That'd be so fun, don't you think? Yeah, we'll go see the ducks and all the birds at the park, and the geese and the seagulls, and we'll feed them this bread. It's going to be lots of fun. Let's go. Okay, Hank. There they are. Hank, I gotta tell you something. I'm actually really, really scared of the birds. So, I'm not gonna feed them. I'm just gonna let you feed them, okay? Yeah, I think I'll just sit back and let you feed the birds, and then we'll get out of here, okay? Because I'm scared of them.
Are you serious, Munks? You're gonna make me feed all of the... What? I'm scared of the birds, too. I could get eaten by the birds.
No, they won't eat you, Hank. They like you. They're so big. With sharp beaks. And, yeah, I'm just gonna let you feed them.
Monks, you crazy. I don't want to feed the birds by myself. This is insane. Monks, you are not my favorite monkey right now.
What are you talking about? You look great, Hank. They're gonna love you.
I am not happy about this.
Okay, don't worry about it, Hank. You're gonna do great.
Monks! There's too many of them, Monks. Monks! Help! Monks, I don't think I want to go on adventures with you anymore.
Aw, Hank, don't be like that. We're gonna go on plenty adventures. We're friends for life.
No. No, I think I'll stay here at the house when you go on adventures, Monks. This was not a lot of fun for me.
Well, sorry, Hank. Next time we'll take somebody else to feed the birds. Well, anyway, thanks so much, best friends, for coming and joining me and Hank for What's Wednesday with Monks. And we had a lot of fun with you, and we hope that we'll see you later this week for more episodes. And, yeah, for when Dory joins us. So, love you, new best friends. Bye!